Hello. Today we are going to be talking about how to cite a book using Noodle tools. So once you log into Noodle tools, you will see a button on your right hand side with it's green with a plus sign that says create a new project. Click on that, and for today's purposes we are going to name our project biography. The citation style we're going to leave at MLA, and we'll leave the level at junior. Once you have typed that in, click on create project. And now you're on your dashboard. So for this, at the very top you have 5 tabs. We're going to go into your bibliography. And now we're going to click on select a book, because that's the first citation that we are going to create. So once you've selected book, click the green button that says create citation. And now we have to fill in the 5 parts of a book citation. So the first part is where it says contributors. We need to select that our contributor is the author. And for today's purposes, we're going to be using this book about Abraham Lincoln. So I'm looking at the front cover right here, and I can see my author is Michael Burlingame. So I'm just going to go back into my Noodle tools, and I'm going to type his first name and then his last name. And then the next part is I have to obviously type in the title of the book. So the title of this book is Abraham Lincoln, A Life, Volume 2. So we'll go back. Abraham Lincoln, I forgot, A Life, Volume 2, Life. Now since it says Volume 2, at the bottom I'm just going to put Volume 2 there, and it doesn't have a subtitle, so I don't need to worry about that. So we'll put volume where it says volume. Publisher. Now to find the publisher of a book, I usually need to look at the verso page. So as I'm scrolling down here, here's the title page, Abraham Lincoln, A Life, Johns Hopkins University Press in Baltimore. So now I need to look at this small page, and I'm going to zoom in here. And I'm looking for the publisher. So it looks like the publisher would be the Johns Hopkins University Press. I'm going to go back and type in Johns Hopkins University Press. Now I need the city. And the city is Baltimore, Maryland, so I just need to type in Baltimore. And now I'm looking for the copyright date. Right up here with the C and the circle around it. Copyright year for this book is 2008. So I come back and I click on 2008. I noticed that Noodle Tools has put a caution sign here where they tell me to just abbreviate University Press as UP. I'm just going to leave it for today and not worry about it. I know that there are 5 parts to a book citation: the author, title, publisher, place of publication, and the year. So I know that I'm done. Once I am done, I will click on the green button at the bottom that says submit. And now I will see it has put for me in the correct format my citation. Now if I wanted to do another citation, I could just go up here and I could tell if I wanted to do a book, database, magazine or newspaper article, a website, and I would go through the process again until I was finished. Once I am finished, and that's all that I'm doing for this one, is I can print and export this. And what's really cool is that I can do it to Google Docs. I'm going to show you that really quickly. Click on that. I will push allow. And now I've it has put in for me into a Google Docs where I could share and export it some other way or print it in the correct format with the things, with the parts that need to have periods and um, italicized. It's good to go. So if I go back up to the top and I go to my projects, I should now see my project which is open and my bibliography for a book. That is how you cite a book for a reference source using Noodle tools.